Right after I bought a full set of DZOFilm Vespids, I went to NAB this year and visited the DZOFilm booth just to see they released a new set of lenses called the Arles Primes. Literally the worst timing that could have happened for me. And I have a whole video about why I chose the Vespids over a few other lenses, and I'll leave that at the end of this one. But I was immediately curious how the DZOFilm Arles compared to the Vespids. I have the Arles 35mm right now. I'm waiting on DZOFilm to send me the 50 and the 100, and I'll be making a full comparison video when those do come out. But for now, let's compare the 35mm Vespid to the 35mm Arles Prime. All of these test clips were shot in S-Log3, and there's just a Rec. 709 conversion LUT applied, no grading at all. I wanted to see if I want the Arles or if I need the Arles. Please pray for my wallet. After looking at those tests, I can definitely see a difference between the Vespids and the Arles, but is it enough for me to sell my 7-lens Vespid kit for a set of 4 or 5 Arles lenses? Do I just save up and use my Vespids to fund a new set of Arles lenses? I really don't know right now. I'm going to wait until I have the 50 and 100 millimeters to really make a decision one way or another. But I need some help here. What would you guys do? Please let me know in the comments down below. And here is a video that I compared my Vespids to a set of Irix and Athenas and why I chose the Vespids in the first place. And thank you guys for sticking around to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.